So today we are going to find out the domain of this function. So firstly, try to make out what kind of function is this. So it is an algebraic function, and in case of algebraic function, two things we need to check. Two things. Firstly, denominator should not be equal to 0, and any algebraic expression inside the square root sign should not be negative. So these two criteria should be met. So now how to find out the domain of this function? So first thing, we will try to define this. For what values of x this square root is defined, means x square minus 3x plus 2, this should be more than equal to 0. Now how to find out these values of x? So you can factorize this and get the values of x for which this becomes equals to 0. And on a number line we can plot this, and just by using the sign scheme method. So after factorizing this, you can factorize this. It will be equal to x minus 2 into x minus 1. When you equate it to 0, you will get 1 and 2. Plot it on the number line. Now the whole real line has been divided into 3 parts. Now take any single real number from any of the parts and check it here. Let's say 0. I am taking 0 from here. Put it here. 0 minus 0 plus 2, which is positive, means if you take any real number from this subinterval, this expression will remain positive here. Now since none of the values repeats even number of times, therefore when we will cross 1, sign will get changed, and likewise this will become again changed, reversed. So positive, negative, positive. For this we need to take only positive values of this expression, and therefore from minus infinity to 1, this is never included since it is not a real number. But as it can be equal to 0, therefore we will include 1. This union from 2 to infinity. This is the first thing. Now we have defined this. Now I am going to define this. Then we will take the common values of these two. So since this expression is inside the square root sign as well as in the denominator, so both the rules will apply. Denominator should not be equal to 0, and as it is in the square inside the square root sign, so this should be more than 0. So now factorize this. 3 plus 2x minus x square, you can arrange this we can write it like this. Take minus x as common. So we get x minus 3 into minus x minus 1. So when we equate it to 0, we will get two values of x, which is minus 1 and 3. Minus 1 and 3. So this thing minus x square plus 2x plus 3 should be more than 0. Now as we did it earlier, mark these numbers on the number line. These numbers are minus 1 and 3. Now in any of the sub intervals you can choose any real number. Let's say 0 from here, put it here 0. It gives a पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है. सब्सिक्वेंट में जब जंप ओवर करेंगे तो साइन विल चेंज. सो वी नीड ओनली पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज वेयर दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज पॉजिटिव, and therefore it should lie in between minus 1 and 3, but it is more than, strictly more than means कि it will be open interval minus 1 to 3. Call it 2. Now take only those values of x which is common to 1 and 2. इन दोनों में से कॉमन लेना है वैल्यूज को. तो एक you can make another number line, mark the different numbers. We have minus 1 smallest value, then 1, then 2, from here we have 3. Mark all the different values. Now in this case we are in this part, this as well as this, from 2 to infinity including 2. so उसको मैं डीप कर रहा हूँ, included point है ये, these two. From this we get from minus 1 to 3, उसको blank छोड़ रहे हैं since minus 1 and 2 are not included from here to here. Now you can very well see what is common in these two. Is there something common? In fact, it is minus 1 to 3. So, is there anything common? From 2 to 3, including 2. Here also it is from 1. So finally we are getting minus 1 to 1, 1 is included, minus 1 is open, union, 2 is included and 3 is open. So this is the final answer. Minus 1 to 1, 1 is included, and 2 to 3, 2 is included. So I think you have understood. Now do like, share and subscribe.